Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Kaiser Permanente. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hrconnect.kp.org and then press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Kaiser Permanent. Now click on the sign on button from the homepage and you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your national user ID within the user ID box and then enter your password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign on button and you will be logged into your KP or Kaiser Permanente HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on the Forgot NUID or the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your KPHR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.